properly.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
No, that's too big. Gonna fall down.
well, I'm going to share my screen, okay?
Okay.
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 Why not showing my? Tell me, is it shared?
Yes, it's shared. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you mind being in it? Upstairs.
Okay, so in the previous class we are study about the subtraction, yes or no?
Yes.
And multiple I think we are previously in the previous class we have studied about the wait. Okay, fine. So we are, I think we are in this position. Yes or no? You can
Yes.
see?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So wait. Is there any problem in, each question? Is there any problem? Tell me.
Thank you, Daddy.
Actually, I'm asking in the homework, is there any problem? Anybody have a problem? If any question you can ask me.
Uh, there's no. There's no. Can you check the homework if it's right?
I will already post your solutions in your group, so you can see if your questions, if your answers not match with the questions, your answers, your answer not with the question, so you can tell me, and then I will tell you how to solve the question. If you have no questions, so today I'm going to start the class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
Can you resend? I can't see anything.
is it not is present? I'm already share my screen. Wait, I am.
Okay,
Okay,
later.
what?
After school.
Okay, wait, I'm again present my screen, okay?
So times.
So tell me, is it shared?
Yes, but I mean, can you send it after school because I can't see it.
Okay, I will send it. So today's topic is problem on addition and subtraction. Okay, you can see here we as we learned the corresponding to one addition fact we got to wait. Is that audible? Tell me.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So we as learned the corresponding to one adding fact, we get two subtraction facts. For example, you can see here. Today we are going to solve the problem of addition and subtraction, which means in the previous lecture we are separately solve addition and separately solve subtraction. Yes or no?
Yes.
But in today's class we are study solve questions together, subtraction and addition. Okay, in our same question. So you know that today we are solve we are so if you have, if you for example if you have 5 pencils, okay, and I will give you 3 more. No, I will give you nothing. Okay, for example, I will give you nothing. But now I'm saying you have now 10 pencils. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So I'm saying if you have 5 pencils, tell me how to become a 10 pencils.
5.
Yeah.
5.
Because 5 and 5 is 10.
So how to know that it become 10? So we have to subtract from, because we are subtracting from the 10. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So for example, you can see here. I'm taking next example. For example, if you have 5 balls, okay, fine. And if you have 5 balls, and how many balls are you add? It become 12. Okay. So for this, so you can subtract from, like for example, 12 is here. Okay, fine. You can see we don't know what is here. Yes or no?
Yes.
So just for example, we have take nothing. Okay, fine. If I'm 5 feet taking to the left to right. Okay, fine. So what we do here? Here is changing the position. Here the changing of position with the changing of symbol. Here is positive. Yes or no? You can see the 5 here is positive. But if 5 is comes this side in the right side, so it becoming negative. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
That is the rule. Listen to me carefully. That is the
Then
rule.
Daga is in the 5.
If we change what?
Pretend that it's D-A-D. No, that's not her. It's a
Uh,
513.
okay, okay. Sorry, I can't. For example, I'm saying if we change the position of anything, it also changes the symbols. It changes with the opposite symbols. For example, if here is positive, then it become negative in the left side. But if we are changing for example, if we change the position of 12, which is in positive. Okay. If we 12 shifted to the left, it becomes negative. Okay. It's just a, so you can see 5 is shifted to this side. Okay. Listen to me. 5 is shifted to this side. So now you can solve. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So you can see in this side, if we subtract from the 12, 5, so it become what? Tell me.
12 minus 5.
So it become 8. Yes or no?
8. Yeah.
No.
No.
It becomes 7. Yes or no? It becomes 7.
Yes.
Yeah. So now you can check. Now you can check because you can see in this place, if we add 7, now it become 12. Let's check. Okay. The question is that 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
Plus here we don't know what's come here. We are finding already in this place. We have to write 7. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. Let's check. So you can see if let's check it become 12. Yes or no? Now you can check. If we write 5 plus 7, so it becomes 12. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So that is the answer. You can see how to check. We can shift the number from left to right, or we can shift right to left. Okay, but remember that if we change the position, then its symbol is also changed. If that is positive, it become in negative. But if question is in negative, that it become in positive. Okay, you have to remember that point. Okay. So from this change we can find the solution. We can find the answer. So okay, fine. So question is this. For example, if you have 70 plus 40, yes or no? For example, if you have 17, 14 and it become 110, yes or no?
Yes.
So now you can see here. Here, if we are now you can see 110 is here. Yes or no? Wait. I will increase this. So you can see here. If we change the position, that is the question. Let's listen to me. That is the question. 70 plus 40, it become 1010. But here you can see 70 comes here to the right side. Yes or no?
Okay, my screen is off.
You can see here.
The one
70 comes to
that's
the
not allowed to see me. I just turned it off so they can't see me.
I think it's very simple. I think there is too much stuck video. Yes or no? Listen to me. Here I'm going to change the position. You can see. For example, if you have 70 plus 40, that is equal to what?
Go to 110.
110. Okay, fine.
Get the camera.
For example, if you change the position from this side, so it become what? So it become 1, 1, 0,
Daddy, no
and
better, no better.
you can see here is 70. Yes or no?
Yes.
Minus 70. Why I'm saying minus 17? Because 70 comes to the this side with the 110. Okay, but we are not changing the position of 40. So it already 40. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So now you can check. Now you can check. Like you can check. If you subtract from the 110, from the 110 70, it is equal to the 14. Yes or no? You can check.
You have to close it. I need to charge it.
Okay. So that question is tells us if we change the if we change the place of anything, it becomes equal to
I
each
know the
other.
password.
Like here,
No, the password, Emma. Okay, I know it's BPD.
8 to 6. There is lots of problem. I think in my lab here. I think there is too much stuck. Okay, fine. Listen to me. Here I am going to change what? You can see here is change 40. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that's why that is a negative. Okay. So you can see if here is only 40 is changed. So that's why that is in negative. But 70 is still here. So if we subtract from the 110, 40, so it equal to the 70. Okay.
Okay.
So it's just some rules for this solve the questions. So let's take an example again. You can see here. For example, if you have 400, that is for example, if you have 400, yes or no, you can see. Let's check the question. If you have 400 and you are subtracting 30, so it is equal to what?
Equal to
370. Yes or no?
370.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. So let's check. Your answer is correct or not. So what we do for the check the answer. So here we have to add what? Here we add the answer and the sub.
370.
Yeah, sorry. Can you repeat your words?
We can. We have to add 370 plus 30.
Yes. If we add both of these things, now we get the answer. It means your answer is correct. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that is the solution. From this solution, we have to check your answer. Your answer of subtraction is correct or not. Okay. For example, if you have, for example, if you subtract from, like, for example, if you have 5 minus 3, okay. Can you subtract? Can you subtract this? It become what?
2.
Okay, fine. So let's check your answer is right or wrong. If that if
5
that
plus
is if both addition is make this this number so that your answer is correct. So let's check 3 plus 2. So your answer is 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
So you can see it means your answer is correct. Okay. Let's check the estimation. Now firstly tell me is I understand what I'm saying. Is there any problem? Tell me yes or no. Tell me I understand. Is I'm audible? Listen to me. Tell me is I'm audible?
What?
I'm saying is I'm audible?
I don't hear you.
What did you say?
I'm saying is I'm audible?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, fine.
Miss Nancy said, is that multiple?
Multiple? Is that multiple?
I don't know.
Listen to me. I'm going to, yeah. Okay, listen to me. I'm going to study estimation. Fine. We can estimate the sum of number by the rounding of the nearest 10 place value on the 100 place value and the 1000 place value. Let's check. Okay. For example, if you have 110, okay? No, sorry. You have 210 and you have 120.
I guess so.
Okay, listen to me. Can we solve the actual difference? Let's subtract. From the 0, if you subtract 0, it become
0.
fine. So you can you subtract from the 1, 2?
No.
No.
So we have to take carry from the 2, it become 11. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
From the 11, we can subtract 2. So it equal to the what?
9.
9.
Okay, so is it equal to the 9? So here is 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
So from the 1, if we subtract 1, it becomes to the 0. So it means your answer is 90. Fine.
90.
But if I'm saying let's solve the estimated value. To tell me what is the estimated value of 210. 210, which means I am saying tell me the estimated value of from the tens place. So tell me in the tens place what we have to write. Listen to me. If you have 210, okay,
Okay.
and 120, and I'm saying find the estimated value from the tens place. Okay, so tell me that 100, if you have 210, what is the estimated value of 210? Tell me.
I don't know.
Okay, fine. If I'm saying tell me the estimated value of 112. 212. So what is the estimated value of 212? No, there is no answer. Listen to me. Tell me 12 is nearest to what? Tell 12 is nearest to 20 or tell 12 is nearest to 10? 10, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Your answer is listen to me. Let's if I'm solve. For example, if you have 212 and 122. Okay, fine. Now you can solve. That is 0 and that is 9. That is 9. Fine. So your answer is 9. But if I'm saying write the estimated difference. So if you have 212, the 212 estimated value is 210. Yes or no? Why I'm saying
Yes.
210? Because 12 is nearest to the 10. Yes or no?
Yes.
So we have to write here 210. Fine. Now you have 122. Can you tell me what is the estimated value of 122?
120.
Yes, the estimated value of 122 is 120. Okay. Now we can subtract. Tell me. Tell me the answer. 0.
0.
And
9. 0.
yeah. So your answer is 90. That's it. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So you can see here. Here I'm solving. Here I'm solving what? Here I'm solving actual difference. Yes or no?
Yes.
But here is I'm solving what? Here I'm solving estimated difference. Yes or no?
Yes.
From this question. Here is I'm solving estimated difference, but that is the actual difference. So the question estimation is based on this question. Is there any problem? Now let's check your. Let's take example. You can see. So here you have 5264. Okay, what do you have?
500.
1,264.
Okay, fine. And you have to subtract now you have to subtract from the 5264 2379. You have to subtract. Okay.
Okay.
So can you subtract from the 4? No. So you have to take one more. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
It become 14. So from the 14, if you subtract 9, it become what? 5.
5.
Right.
Okay. Now you can see here is 5 because we are taking carry. So it become 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now you can see we can't subtract from the 5. So we have to take carry from the 2. So it become 15. Yes or no?
Okay. Yes.
So from the 15, if we subtract 7, so it become 8. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now you can see here has become 1. From the 1 we can subtract 3. So we have to take again carry. So it become 11. So now we have to subtract from the 11 3 is equal to the 8. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now you can see from here we are taking carry. So here is become 4. From the 4 if we subtract 2. So it become to the 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
So your answer is, you can see your answer is 2885. Okay, fine. But here that is the actual difference. What is this? That is the actual difference. If I am saying, tell me the estimated difference. To tell me, firstly, now tell me
5,000 minus
why I'm saying.
2,000.
If I'm saying, tell me the difference, tell me the estimated value of 100. You can see here is 264. So tell me 264 is nearest to the 300 or 200. Tell me.
500.
No, 264. You can see here is coming 64 and 64 is nearer to, that is the nearest to the 300. Yes or no?
100. Yes.
Because you can see that is that here is between 200 and the 300. Why I'm saying that is near to the 300? Because that is more than 250. 250 is the middle of to the 250 is the middle of 200 and the 300. Okay, fine. You can see 64 is nearest to the 300. That's why I'm taking 300. But listen to me. But I'm saying, if I'm saying, tell me the difference in the thousand. So if I'm taking the 1,000 difference estimated, so you can see here is the 5,000 near to the 5,000 and the 6,000. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, but you can see, here is after than 5, here is coming 2. It means that is nearest to the not 6,000. It means that is nearest to the 5,000. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that's why I'm taking here, the question is taking 5,000. Okay, fine. So that is the estimated value in the 1,000 place. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see here is the second thing. Here is 2,379. So you can see. Tell me the estimated value of this question. This number collection. That is the estimated of this thing is 2,000 or the 3,000. Tell me.
Here's 2,000.
Why I'm saying 2,000? You're saying 2,000 because I'm taking 2000. Why? Because that is the we are taking 1000 place, and 1000 place after the 3 is coming, we know that 3 is near to the 2000. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that's why we are taking 2000. Let's solve. Let's solve. From the 0, if we subtract 0, it becomes 0. From 0 again, subtract 0, so it becomes 0, and here also 0. Now, if we subtract from the 5, so it's equal to the 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So your answer is 3000. So you can see, if I'm saying, tell me the estimated value of this question. So you can see that is the also the nearest to the 3000. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
If I'm saying tell me the estimated value of this question. If we are not solving this thing, so you can see from this from this answer you can say that is nearest to the 3000. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so that is the answer. So just here is the question is this. Here we are going to solve estimated difference and the actual difference. Here we are solve. Okay, let's solve together subtraction and addition both. Listen to me. If you have 4 minus 2, okay, and plus 3, and again minus minus less. For example, if you have 5, okay. Wait. Listen to me. If in the question you can see here is positive, that is negative, that is positive, that is negative. If I'm taking that is positive and second question the second number is negative, again I'm taking positive and again I'm taking negative. So tell me how to solve this question.
Oh my.
Can you solve this question? Here is some confusion, yes or no?
Yes.
Oh no.
So for this type question we have to solve. Firstly, we have to take. Tell me how many positive is there?
4.
4.
Okay. Here you have 4 and 3.
3.
Okay, fine. So we have 3 and 4. Taking 3 and 4 side, and here we have to add. Okay. Tell me, it become what? 4 plus 3 is equal to what?
7.
Fine. Your answer is 7. Now you have how many negatives is there? What? Tell me again. Here you have 2. Okay.
2.
And you have 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
You have negative. You have negative. That is 2 and 5. 2 and 5. It becomes 7. Yes or no?
Yes.
But listen to me. But both are negative. So we have to take as a negative sign. Okay?
Okay.
Because these are negative. That's why I'm taking negative. Now you can solve. You have 7 positive and you have negative 7. Okay. Now you can solve. Tell me what is the answer?
4. 0.
Yes, that is the answer is 0. Okay. Now you understand how to solve the question. What I'm saying, listen to me. What is this step? Firstly, we have to take a separate positive, and after then we have to take separate negative, Yes or no?
Yes.
You can see both positive are solved here and both negative I'm solving here. Okay. After then, the negative, these negative are I'm adding, but in the negative, with the negative sign. We are adding both numbers, but with the negative sign. Okay.
Okay.
After then you can see here the answer is here is 7, but that is in positive, so we have to take as a positive. But you can see here we are solving positive these negative value. That's why I'm taking negative here. After then we are subtract and we get the answer 0. Okay.
Okay.
So let's take a question on this concept. So here you can see. Here you can see, tell me answer one by one. Okay, fine. Here you can see that is in positive. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is also in positive. Okay. You can see these both are negative. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what we have to do? Firstly, we have to what? Tell me the step first. Tell me.
Subtract 4,678 plus 3.
No. Listen to me. Firstly, we have to take separate positive. What? Which one is positive? That positive and this positive. Yes or no?
Yes.
So firstly, we have to take separate. If we added this number and this number, firstly we have to add both these number. You have what? You have 4, 6, 7, and 8. And after then you have 3, 4, 7,
7,
and 9.
9.
Is there any problem?
No.
Both are in positive. Both are in positive. Yes or no?
Yes.
So here we have to add. What we have to do? We have to add. You have 8 and 9. It become what? Tell me.
17. 17.
It becomes 17. Yes. You know the 17 is have a 1 carry. Now you have to add 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 7 is what? Tell me.
7, 8.
Tell me.
15.
Yes. It's equal to the 15. So tell me. Again 1 is come here. Now you can add 1 plus 6 is equal to 7 and 7 plus 4 equal to
7 plus
7 plus 4 equal to what?
7 plus
11.
Yes.
10.
Okay, that is 11. Now again we have to add one more. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 3 is
8.
8.
okay. So you can see here we have 8,157. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now you have what? You have negated this and this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now again we have to take separate and add. What we have to add? You have 8, 2, 8 and 4 and 7. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
And second minus is that 3, 5 and 2, 7. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now we have to add. What we have to do? Here we have add. 7 plus 7 is what?
14.
Okay, you have 14. We have to take carry one more and tell me 1 plus 5. It become what?
7.
7 again. 7. So tell me if you take
13.
now.
13.
No. Here I'm not taking carry. You can see here I'm not taking carry. Wait.
13.
You are saying?
8
You're saying
plus
13.
5.
Okay, fine. You're saying 13. Yes or no now? So now we have again take carry 1. So 3 and 3 is become 6. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now you can see here that addition is comes from the negative. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So we have take as a minus. Okay, fine. That you have to remember that point. Okay, what we have to do? We have to take with the minus. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Now you have what? Now you have 8,157. Okay. And the second is 6,374. Okay. Now we have to what? We have to subtract. There is for the addition and there is for the subtraction. We have to write this here. Here you have
8,000.
okay. Now you can subtract.
8,000.
So you have 8, 1, 5 and 7.
7.
And you have to subtract what? You have to subtract 6.
Subtract 6,374.
Now you can subtract
3.
3. Okay.
8.
8. So that is 3. That is what?
8. 8.
So yours right. Your answer is 8. So tell me what do you have here? Here is 10. Yes or no?
This is, yeah.
So that is 10. So that is 7.
7.
So here we have what? Here we have 7. From the 7 if we subtract 6, it becomes 1. So now your answer is 1,783. Okay. So let's check your answer is right or wrong.
Okay.
You can see your answer is. You can check your answer. You can see here. That is the answer. Yes or no? Your answer is correct.
Yes.
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 So let's check. Let's read the steps. What we are doing here. Tell me, are you understand? Is there any problem?
No, ma'am.
No. No.
Okay. Let's read steps. We are already follow these steps. You can see we. You can see if you have the questionnaires. If you have questionnaires, this now. Wait. Now you can see. Oh, wait. You can see here. That is the example for the simplify. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So the step first is this: the adding the number with the plus sign before them. We get. It means before the plus sign we have to add. So you have plus that and that. Yes or no?
Yes.
So you can see if we have here you can see here we have to add. You can see this number and this number. Yes or no? Okay.
Okay.
And second step, adding the number with the minus sign before them. We get. So what we have to do? We have to adding before the minus comes. So it means this number and this number. What we have to do? We have to add. You can see that is the second step. You can see we have to add. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now you can see here we have to add, but because of these are in negative, that's why I am taking negative. Now we have this number and this number. You got how many numbers? You have two number you got. Okay. So you can see that is comes because of negative. So I'm taking negative. Third step is that subtract the second sum from the first sum. First sum is this and second sum is this. Okay.
Okay.
That is second sum and that is the first sum. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract second sum from the first sum. It means we have to subtract from this number. So you can see we have to subtract from the 8,170, 57 from what we have to subtract 6,374. So now you get 1,784. Is there any problem?
No.
Okay, good. I think today's class is almost over, but we have to take one more question. You can solve the questions. Let's take a question. Tell me, can you subtract from the 9, 6? Tell me the answer. And solve this question. Listen to me. That question for 8 to 6. 8 to 6. Sonam?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you solve this question? Tell me the answer, okay? I'm asking one by one, okay? Okay, now you have to subtract from the 9. Tell me answer.
It's 3.
Okay, you are saying 3. After then, 7 from, if we subtract from the 7, you get what?
Okay, 4.
Fine. So if I'm saying the question is the estimated the difference to the nearest 10. So tell me the nearest value of this number. It means you have to find the nearest 10. So tell me what is the nearest 10? From the 40, tell me 43 is nearest to 50 or the 40?
40.
I'm asking 8 to 6. Tell me only 8 to 6. Tell me 8 to 6. 8 to 6. I'm asking to you. Tell me the nearest value of 43.
Oh, it's 40.
Yeah, you are saying 40. So you are absolutely correct. Fine. Now, my next question for 513.
Okay.
513.
Yes.
I'm asking to you.
Yeah.
Can you subtract this question?
Okay, just give me a minute.
You have to subtract D.
Okay, subtract D. Just give me a second, okay?
And 583. 583.
What?
Listen to me. I have a question for you. Can you solve this question?
Okay.
E for you have to solve question number E. Tell me answer both of you. And 8 to 6.
9.
8 to 6 for you. A.
6.
8 to 6 for you. A for you. Tell me answer one by one.
2.
Okay, your answer is. Tell me your answer. 513.
229.
Your answer is 229. Fine. So that is the difference. Fine. But I'm saying tell me the estimated difference. Your answer is almost right, but I'm saying tell me the estimated difference of the nearest 10. It means you have to nearest. What is the nearest 10 of the 29? Tell me.
Nearest sum of 29. 20.
No, it's not 20.
Wait, nearest to what number? 29. Then it's 30 if it's 29.
If you have. Listen to me.
Okay.
If I'm saying tell me the nearest value of 29, it means you have 20.
It's
20 or 30. You can see. Yeah, that is nearest value 30 because 29 comes here. Yes or no?
Yes. Sorry, I thought you said 22.
Oh, sorry. Maybe I'm saying 22. So you have 29. It means 29 is near to the 30. Yes or no?
Yes.
So your answer is what? Tell me.
My answer is 30.
Yes, your answer is 230. Your answer is 230. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So your answer is correct. Now you're correct. Your answer is correct. Tell me your answer. 583.
476.
Your answer is 476. So tell me the estimated value. That is the actual value. You know that is the actual value. Tell me the estimated value. It means, and I'm saying estimated difference of the nearest 10. It means you have to uh, estimated of 79. What is the estimated value of 79?
480.
Yes, your answer is 480. You're very good. Your answer is again correct. Fine. Tell me A. 5, 8 to 6. Tell me 8 to 6. Is that audible for you? 8 to 6. Eight to 6. Tell me answer of question number A.
16.
Your answer is 16. Fine. So that is the actual answer. Okay. If I'm saying estimate, tell me the estimated difference to the nearest of 10. So tell me the
20.
nearest of 10.
20.
Yeah, your answer is 20. So you're correct. Very good. Fine. Fine. So today's class is over. I will post your homework in your group. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye. Take care.
Okay.
Take care. Bye.
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 Take care.
Good night.
Good morning from my side. Bye bye.
Miss Nancy,
Yeah.
can can you post the answers from the homework?
I'm already post your homework solution. You can see.
No, we can see the solutions. We just see the questions. Can you resend us in the group?
Yeah, I'm already send your solution of this previous questions.
Yeah, you send, but we can see the answers.
Because you just sent the homework and didn't send the solution.
Right here.
Okay, you mean I'm only okay? I'm only solve only answer yes or no.
You say a homework solution match your answer, but there's only the questions. They don't have any answer there.
Okay, so you are saying to tell me your answer, your solution is right or wrong. You want to tell, you want to ask me.
She write all the answer, but we don't know. We just make sure is the answer is right or not.
Okay, okay, fine. So you can I have no idea to how to solve. Okay, fine. I will check your pictures of solutions, and I will tell you how it.
Yeah, she already posted in the group, but we're not sure if the answer is right or not.
Okay, your answer, you are only matched with the answer. You are not sure for the solution. Okay, yes or no? I think.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Check and yeah.
Okay, fine. What we have to do? Okay, I will check.
Yeah, we just need to if the answer is right or wrong. Is her way is the right or not?
Okay, fine. I will check.
Okay, thank you.
Most welcome. Take care.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See
Bye-bye.
you on Friday.
We will meet. Listen to me. Sorry,
Okay.
I will forget something. Actually, I will take test in the next class. I will post this thing. Okay. You have to
Okay.
you have to all you have to revise it. for the previous classes. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Most welcome.